Somebody in the comments asked me how I managed to do a dash cam inside the car when I'm travelling around. Well, it's quite simple, and it's taken several different attempts and you know, different variations of a theme, but this is it. It's an adjustable cargo pole, and I've got a little GoPro or GoPro on there, and I hold the camera on with one of these little brackets. Now notice here I put some tape around here because this was getting some odd rattles and I couldn't work out where it was coming from, and it was coming from here, so I just simply taped it up. And these little get up cameras are really cheap. Now people ask me, why don't I put a microphone on when I'm talking? Well, the simple reason is this is in stereo, but if I plug a microphone in, it only records in mono, and some people had commented as well that they couldn't hear any sound, so I'd just leave it like it is. Let me show you the pole. It's not from Poland. Here it is. I'll turn around a bit. Now, I've just been out for an hour's run with this, and that video's coming up earlier, but all it is a turnbuckle with pads on. Now I'm going to modify this by putting a sponge for the roof. This is a bit hard, but as you turn it, it winds in and out, and of course you can adjust it by these pins here. Now what these are designed for, if I come back a bit, you put them in the back of a pickup to stop the cargo moving forward and backwards and forwards, to keep it tight. It's a really good idea. It comes in two different styles. This is the cheaper one. The other one comes with a little ratchet on it. I'll do a link below, and I'll show you where you get them on, like an example. You can get them on Amazon, but I got this in Canadian Tire. It was only cheap. I think it was about $14, but it does the job remarkably well, and it doesn't rattle. See? It doesn't rattle. It's really good. So that's how I do it. Look forward to the big video.